For question 5a, list all the integer values of x which satisfy all this inequality. So first, you can see that this inequality is not solved yet. So what we do is to solve this. Let's left this with only x. So first, let's eliminate the 1 here, negative 1 here. So everything will be plus 1. So negative 3 plus 1, you will get negative 2. 2x minus 1 plus 1, you want the minus 1 here. 7 plus 1, we're left with 8. And then this is 2x, so let's divide everything by 2. So negative 2 divide 2, negative 1, x, 8 divided 2 will be 4. So negative 1 to 4. So list down the number between here, it will be negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the answer. Okay. So diagram B. This diagram B is made out of 4 equal sides of square. So 14 cm here, this will be also 14 cm, this will also be 14 cm. Alright, each side will be 7, 7 here. Okay, PQV is a quadrant with center O. Where's PQV? This is POV here. This is POV. This is a quadrant of circle. It means that this is a quadrant, means that a part of the circle. This is a 90 degree. So first, calculate the shaded region. Now you have two squares, one here and two here. So square is 1 over here, 7 times 7, you get 49 cm squared. So if you got 2, so 2 will be 98 cm squared. Now, the third one over here is half of a square. So half of a square will be 1 over 2 times 49 cm squared. It will be 24.5 cm squared. Now, you are required to calculate the quadrant circle. A circle will be pi r squared. So a quadrant circle will be 1 over 4 pi r squared. So what is r? What is pi? Pi is 22 over 7. What is r? R is the radius, 7. Okay, so if you use calculator times this, you will get 38.5 cm squared. Alright, so in this case, you are required to find all the shaded region. So the shaded area will be 38.5 cm squared plus 24.5 plus 98. And the final answer will be 34.5 plus 98 will give you 161 cm squared. So this is the final answer. Next, for C. For C, Hamizan leave P at 08:30. So means P here is 8:30 in the morning to Q. After 20 minutes, break at Q. In Q, it break 20 minutes. He continued his journey R. He reached R at 1015 on the same day. The average speed of the whole journey, will be 80 km per hour. Calculate the distance between Q to R. Okay, so between Q to R, I do not know, but I know that average speed will be distance divide time. So the total time that used is 1015 minus 08:30. So how should I minus this? 10 o'clock 15 minutes minus 8 o'clock 30 minutes. So let's borrow 60 minutes from here. So 60 plus 15 minus 30, it will be 45 minutes over here. 9 minus 8 will be 1 hour 45 minutes. So 1 hour 45 minutes means 105 minutes. Alright, so the total distance I do not know, but then I know the average speed. So average speed equal to total distance I do not know, divide the time. The time is minutes, so I need to change to hours. So it will be divide 60. So in this case, the distance will be 80 times 105 over 60. Then the total distance will be 105 times 80 divided 60. The total distance will be 140 km. Alright, so I know that PQ is 65 km. QR will be 140 minus 65 km. It will be 75 km. Okay. Now the second one, the traveling from Q to R is 5 minutes longer than P to Q. So from P to Q and Q to R, their traveling time is Y. Okay, so let's say Q to R is 5 minutes longer than P to Q. So let's say P to Q is Y, Q to R is Y plus 5 minutes. All right, calculate the average speed from P to Q. So I know that the total time I use is Y plus 5 and also 20 minute rest at Q. Okay, so this is PQ, this is QR, this is the break time. Okay, so total time used over here will be 105 minutes. So Y will be 2Y plus 25 equal to 105. 2Y will be 80, Y will be 40 minutes. So I know that PQ now is traveled by 45 minutes. So average speed for PQ, I know the distance is 65, divide 45 minutes over 60 because you need to change to hour. So if I divide this, 45 divide 60, I will get 0.75. 65 divide 0.75, it will give me 86.67 km per hour. So this is my final answer.